Hello everybody, my name is DEBASIS Dash. Today is the fifth day of our training. These 5 questions are the assignments for today. So the first question is, what is the difference between Angular and AngularJS? So the major difference between Angular and AngularJS is AngularJS is written in JavaScript, but Angular is written in Microsoft's TypeScript language. Then the second question is, what is the difference between Angular and React.js? So the major difference between Angular and React.js is Angular is a JavaScript framework and built using TypeScript, while React.js is a JavaScript library and built using JSX. Then the third question is, list out at least 5 mobile app framework. So the 5 mobile app frameworks are Flutter, Xamarin, Swiftic, Ionic, and APAC Cordova. Then the fourth question is, how do we decide what backend technology we should use in our project? So while deciding which backend technology we should use in our project, we should take 3 important points into consideration. Those are problem domain, characteristics of language, and technical expertise. So the first point is problem domain. Each technology has its own business use, and leveraging that advantage will make the decision process more streamlined. Thus, your evaluation will need to take into account the problems we need to address, as well as the business case and the types of customers. Then the second point is characteristics of language. So there are different languages available to programmers. Each language has different characteristics, communities, support, and ecosystems which influence the decision-making process. Then the third point is a technical expertise. So choosing the right backend technology requires a sound knowledge of frameworks, languages, servers, etc. So the choice of technology will depend upon the technical capability of the team. Then the fifth question is, how do we decide what kind of database we should use in our project? So while deciding which kind of database we should use in our project, we should take 3 important points into considerations. Those are integration, scaling requirements, and cap considerations. The first point is integration. So the most important point to consider while choosing the right database is what system we need to integrate together. Make sure that your database management system can be integrated with other tools and services within the project. So the second point is scaling requirements. It's important to know about the scaling requirements before installing the production database, because many databases can't able to handle thousands of user querying terabytes or petabytes of data only because of scaling issues. Then the third point is cap considerations. Cap stands for consistency, availability, and partition tolerance. This theorem states that you cannot achieve all the properties at the best level in a single database, as there are natural trade-offs between the items. That's all about today's assignment. Thank you.